Folding exercise bikes are a staple in the fitness world, but are they worth your investment? Let's dive into the pros and cons to see if these compact machines are the right fit for your workout routine. For those with limited space, the small footprint of a folding exercise bike is a game changer. It's the perfect solution for apartment dwellers or anyone looking to maximize their living area. After your workout, you can easily collapse and store it away, keeping your space clutter-free. Plus, if you need to shift your workout spot, these bikes are lightweight and easy to move. And let's talk cost. Generally, they're more affordable than other fitness equipment, offering a budget-friendly option for a solid cardio workout. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned athlete, folding bikes can provide the low-impact, heart-pumping exercise you need. However, it's not all smooth cycling. The lightweight build that makes them portable can sometimes mean a compromise on durability. Additionally, the pedal action on these bikes might not mimic the feel of a traditional bike, which could be a deal-breaker for some. And if you're a tech enthusiast, you might be disappointed by the lack of advanced features and digital connectivity. In conclusion, folding exercise bikes are a smart choice for those with space constraints, budget limitations, and the need for portability. They offer a decent workout without dominating your living space. But if you're after high-tech features, a realistic cycling experience, or have no space issues, you might want to consider a traditional upright bike instead. Assess your needs and choose wisely. Your perfect workout partner awaits.